Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Elvin.
How are you, ma'am?
I am good, thank you. What about
I'm
you?
fine.
Good.
Thank you.
Your friends are joining. Let me admit all. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I am good, thank you.
How are you?
All of you, please close your hands and
How are
close
you?
your eyes and join your hands. Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes. Okay. So as you know, we have MCQ3 examination, and we have mathematics on 21st of December, and we have 2 chapter. And which are the 2 chapters for exam?
Time addition.
Very good. Anyway, you know which are the chapters. So we have addition and time. So today we are starting the revision of chapter addition, chapter 4 addition. Okay, so just we can revise for something, then we will write in the notebook. So ma'am will share the screen, that time you can write. Now listen to ma'am. So first of all, in the chapter we discussed what is addition. What is addition, Bhuvana? Bhuvana, what is addition? Are you remembering? Very good. You are remembering. Very good. So putting together. Addition means putting together. Addition means putting together. Ivanto, tell me the spelling. Addition. Do you know the spelling? Addition. We write and studied, no? Addition spelling. I will help you. Tell me the spelling. A D D uh, D I T I T I O N. In addition. Okay, so putting together is called addition, or we can say counting the number of objects together. Counting the number of objects together is also known as addition. And which symbol we use for addition, Agrasaji? Which symbol we will use for addition? Which symbol, Agnes?
Sum.
Which symbol we use for addition?
Plus.
Plus. Okay, plus. We use a plus symbol for addition. Okay, very good. Then we discuss the answer. When we add, we will get the answer in addition. Hiba, what is the answer in addition called? The answer in addition. What we will call the answer in addition? Are you remembering? No minus now. We are discussing the chapter addition. So no minus today onwards. Okay. Okay. So for this up to this MCQ3 examination, no minus, no subtraction. Only we have addition and time. Okay. That's why I start today onwards. Okay. So we use plus symbol for addition, and what we will call the answer in addition. Answer in a very good. You are remembering. So you know the answer. The answer in addition is called sum. Daksha Didish, tell me the spelling sum. Tell me the spelling sum.
Yes, sum.
Very good. S-U-M. S-U-M. Sum. Okay. Now, Ayapadas. Tell me the answer. Okay. 1 plus 0. What is answer? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. 1. Very good. Now 7 plus 0, Ritika. 7 plus 0. What is answer, Ritika?
7.
7. Very good. So Efron, tell me, when we add 0 to a number, what we will get, Efron? When we add 0 to a number, we get dash. What is the answer, Efron? Very good, very good. Same number. Okay, Agamya, tell me, 5 plus 0. What is the answer? 5 plus 0, Agamya? Very good. Isa Maria, 4 plus 0. What is the answer? 4 plus 0. 4. Very good, very good. Okay. Niva, tell me 10 plus 0. What is the answer? 10 plus 0? 10. Very good. Nahana, let me ask. When we add 1 to a number, what we will get? When we add 1 to a number, what we will get, Nagana? When we add 1 to a number, what we will get? Are you remembering? And please be quiet. Others, please be quiet. Nahana? No. In the case of subtraction, it is before. But in the case of addition, you should remember. When we add 1 to a number, after we get the next number. We get the next number. Okay, so 4 plus 1. Antonio, what is answer? 4 plus 1. Antonio, 4 plus 1. What is answer? 4 plus 5. Very good. Nasia, 1. What is answer? 1 plus 1?
2.
1 plus 1. 2. Very good. Now, Manna, 8 plus 1. What is answer? 8 plus 1? What is answer? 8 plus 1? Manna, 8 plus 1. What is answer? 8 plus 1?
7.
8 plus 1. What is answer? 8 plus 1? We get the next number, no? So 8 plus 1, not subtraction. It's plus here. So what will be answer? 8 plus 1? 9. Very good. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Joanna Rose, when we add 1 to a number, what we will get, Joanna? When we add 1 to a number, what we will get?
After.
We get the number just after it. Very good. We get the number just after it. Now, Rose, 9 plus 1. What is answer? 9 plus 1?
10.
10. Very good. Angela, when we add 0 to a number, what we will get?
Same number.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Adwala, don't tell me answer. Okay. 6 plus 4. Adwala, don't. 6 plus 4. What is the answer? 6 plus 4. You use bigger number, you keep it in the mind. Smaller number, you take in your hand. 6 plus 4. What is the answer, Adwal? 6 plus 4. Adwal or don't?
9.
6 plus 4. 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 only. Okay, Adwal? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now, let me ask another one. Aldrina, are you ready? 6 plus 3. What is the answer? 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Aldrina. 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So, after 6?
7. 8. 9.
9. So, what is answer, Aldrina? What is answer? 9. Very good. Now, Ayan, tell me answer. 4 plus 5. What is answer? 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5. What is answer, Ayan? Bigger number, you keep it in the mind. Smaller number, you take in your finger. Show me bigger number. That is in the mind and smaller number in the hand. Okay, very good. Now, after 5, count after 5. 6.
6.
7.
7. 9.
8.
8,
Next one.
9.
9. So what is answer? 6 plus 3. What is, sorry, 5 plus 4. What is answer? 5 plus 4. 9. Aldrina, please be quiet. Okay. So Ayan, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. Now let me ask. Efron, I asked Efron. Okay. Now Aldrin Shibu.
Thank you,
Please turn
ma'am.
on your video, Aldrin. Please turn on your video. Tell me answer. 5 plus 3. What is the answer, Aldrin? 5 plus 3? Aldrin,
Thank you,
5
ma'am.
plus 3. So 5 you keep it in your mind. 3 you take in your fingers.
8.
Who is
8.
telling the answer? I ask Aldrin. He will tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. Okay. And please turn on your video. Okay. What is the answer? 5 plus 3, Aldrin? 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. Show me 3 fingers. Aldrin, listen here. Okay, now after 5, count after 5. 6,
6.
7,
7.
8.
8.
So what is the answer? 5 plus 3, what is the answer?
0.
Ahaha. Then why you count now?
8.
5 plus 3. Okay?
8.
5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. You are not listening here. You are doing something else. Aldrin, 5 plus 3. So 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. Show me 3 fingers. Okay, now count after 5. 6,
6.
7,
7.
8.
8.
So what is the answer, Aldrin? 5 plus 3. What is the answer? Which number you got at last? 8. So what is the answer? 5 plus 3?
8.
8. Okay. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Now let me ask Hanan, please turn on your video and listen to me. Tell me answer. Okay. 4 plus 3. What is answer? 4 plus 3. Hanan, 4 plus 3. So bigger number, you keep it in your mind. 4. 3 you take in your finger. Okay. After 4, 5, 6.
7.
Who is telling other than Hanan? How many times I said to keep quiet? You can do it, but please mute your device. Okay. So Hanan, what is the answer? 7. Okay, 7 is the answer. Karthik, tell me answer. Okay, listen here. 6 plus 2. What is the answer, Karthik? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What is the answer, Karthik? I can't see Karthik. Karthik, can you hear? Karthik, tell me answer. 6 plus 2. What is the answer? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What is the answer? Karthik, please turn on your video and tell me answer. 6 plus 2. 8. 8. Okay. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Badra. 4 plus 4. What is answer, Badra? 4 plus 4. Badra, turn on your video. Tell me answer. 4 plus 4. What is answer? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Badra, tell me answer. 4 plus 4. 1 4 you keep it in the mind. 1 4 you take in your fingers. Okay. After 4. 8. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now, let me share the screen now. So what all things we studied that we can write in the notebook. Are you ready with the notebook?
Yes.
Are you ready with the notebook and pencil?
Yes.
So please open the page, take a fresh page. And ma'am is going to share the screen now.
Take a fresh page.
Yes, yes. You have to take a fresh page. Because we are doing the revision now. So you have to take a fresh page.
Rough book.
Not a rough book. Same book. Max notebook. Please take a fresh page and write. Okay. I'm going to share the screen now. First of all, I will read for you. After that, I will tell when you have to write answer. Okay.
Sure.
Now it is written REVISION revision chapter 4 addition. Okay. REVISION revision CHAPTER chapter 4 ADDITION addition. And fill in the blanks. And we have the first question. Addition means putting together. Dash means putting together. The answer is addition. ADDITION addition. Second one, we use the symbol dash for addition. Which symbol? Plus. Third one, the answer in addition is called dash. SUM, sum. And fourth one, the sum of 9 and 0 is dash. The sum of 9 and 0 is 9. And fifth one, 1 plus 4 is equal to dash. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And sixth one, 7 plus 3 is equal to dash. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. So I will share the screen now. The same thing you are writing. So those who take a notebook, take. Yes, yes, you have to write that. A revision, chapter 4, addition. You have to write all the questions. No need to go very fast. Take time and write. We have enough time. We have enough time. REVISION, a revision. CHAPTER, chapter 4. What is the name of the chapter? Addition. ADDITION, addition. So try to study today itself this much. Okay. REVISION, revision. CHAPTER, chapter 4. ADDITION, addition.
The blanks.
FILL, fill. in. THE, the. BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. And we have the first one. ADDITION, addition. That is that word you have to underline. ADDITION, addition. MEANS means PUTTING, put in TOGETHER, together. TOGETHER, together. Addition means putting together. Addition means putting together. And second one, W-E. V-U-S-E. Use. We use. T-H-E. The. S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol. Use the symbol and dash. In the dash, you have to write plus. For ADDITION. For addition. We use the symbol plus for addition. So underline the symbol plus. We use the symbol plus for addition. We use the symbol plus for addition. And 3. Next one, 3. The answer, T-H-E. The A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. The answer. I-N in A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. The answer in addition is C-A-L-L-E-D. Called the answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. I-N in A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition is C-A-L-L-E-D. Called S-U-M. Sum. S-U-M. Sum. The answer in addition is called sum. S-U-M. Sum. S-U-M. Sum.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
S-Y-M-H.
No. S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol. S-Y-M-B-O-L. Symbol.
Ma'am, Alvin completed.
Who completed?
Alvin completed. Alvin.
Elvin completed all the questions.
Yes.
Okay, mute your device and try to read. Let others also complete it. Okay. If everybody completed this much, I will share another page.
Ma'am, P-U-T-T-I-N.
Yes, P-U-T-T-I-N-G. Putting. P-U-T-T-I-N-G. Putting together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Putting together. P-U-T-T. Putting T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Addition means putting together. The answer, A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. The answer is A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. The answer in addition is called dash. That is the third question. The answer in addition is called dash.
Addition.
answer in addition is called sum. And we have the fourth question. The sum of 9 and 0 is dash. 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 The sum of 9 and 0 is 9. It's okay, Bhuvana. Very good. Let us wait for others. Let others also complete it. Those who completed, please mute your eyes. Try to
Ma'am, Shibana completed. Ma'am, Shibana completed.
Okay, very good.
Antonia completed.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, Antonia
Please
completed.
be quiet. Please be quiet. I inform those who have completed, please mute your device and try to read by yourself. Try to read by yourself. The fourth question, the sum of 9 and 0 is 9. And 1 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And sixth one, 7 plus 3 is equal to dash.
Antonia finished.
7 plus 3 is equal to dash. 10. And only your device to review. 7 plus 3 is equal to dash. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Seven plus 3 is equal to 10.
Ma'am, I cannot see you, ma'am.
You can see the screen, no?
But not see, ma'am.
You can see the. You can. It's okay. I am here. If I'm sharing the screen, you can't see me. It's okay. All of you, please complete it. Then I will share it. You can see me.
Ma'am,
Otherwise, you didn't complete. I understood, dear. You
Ma'am,
please mute your device.
completed.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Those who have completed, I already told you, please be quiet. Let others complete it. Okay. After completing everybody, I will show you another page. So please be wait. And those who have completed, please try to read yourself by muting video, and it will not be a disturbance for us. We have 4 minutes. Those who didn't complete, please complete it. Okay. So the first one, addition means putting together. Second one, we use the symbol plus for addition. And third one, the answer in addition is called sum, S-U-M, sum. And fourth one, the sum of 9 and 0. If I add 0 to any number, we get number. So 9 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. 0 is sum. 9 is 10.
Read on EN 3 EN
ANSW. Third one, the THE. T-H-E, the A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. The answer, I-N, in, addition, A-D-I-N,
Ma'am,
addition. Yes, tell me.
N-A-N-U.
No. W. Answer. Hiba. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer in addition. The answer in addition is called dash. S-U-M. Sum. The answer in addition is called sum. Okay. Please be quiet. 5 more minutes. So those who didn't complete it. Next class. And the fourth,
And then a complete.
please. It's okay. Question the of 9 is not of 9. So of 0 is 9. And the fifth one, 1 plus 4 is 4. And sixth one, 7 is 2. Alvin and all others, please speak quiet. Alvin completed, no? So please read it. Alvin, first one.
Revision. Revision.
Only questions you read. No need of revision or chapter. Question 1.
Ma'am, season 5. Addition. Share. Putting together.
Very good.
We use the symbol plus for addition.
Very good.
The answer is addition.
Answer in.
Addition is called sum.
Very good. Fourth one.
The sum of 9 and 0 is 9.
Very good. And fifth one.
1 plus 4 equal to 5.
And the sixth one, last one.
7 plus 3 equal to 10.
Okay, very good. Very good. Please be quiet. Please mute your device and talk. All of you have completed. Let me stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a still.
Yes, ma'am.
So these you, and we have 2-3 minutes more. So the same I will put in the group also. So those who didn't complete, write there also. It's okay. No, don't worry. I will forward together. Use the symbol plus addition. And third one, answer in addition is called sum. And the fourth one, the sum of 9 and 0 is 9. And fifth one, 1 plus 4 is 5. Sixth one, 7 plus is equal to 10. Stopping the share. I will forward in the group. And yes, tell me. Tell me. So I will take the revision test on Wednesday. Okay. So everyone is taking revisions now. So whenever teachers are taking revisions, please study then and there. That period itself try to study. Only some only we are taking for revision now. So study then and there. Okay. And revision test will be there on Wednesday. Not Wednesday. This Monday. mm, uh, about this addition chapter. Okay. So study well the same day itself. So it's clear to you all now what we studied today. And next class we will study the number line using number line addition and order in addition. Okay. So bye bye. See you in the next class. I will forward the same in the group. Okay. Bye. See
Bye
you.
bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.